the dua that he or she would like to achieve in his or her life, be it immediately or later. So it is amazing how Allah Almighty has blessed us with this beautiful moment at the time of iftar, where if we make a dua, we feel already that this dua is really granted to us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Can you hear me at the back there now? No. We heard you say no, that means you heard us. خلاص غير هذه خلاص انا امسكه في يدي احسن امسك في اليد هذه شيلها. Is that better? MashaAllah. The point I was raising a little bit earlier was that Allah Almighty grants us 2 points of joy and happiness. As per the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam,